Inspect your inbox for a reaction to your application within 2 days. Throughout the 30-minute session, get clear on where you are now and what may be holding you back. Along the method, you'll share insights and steps to progress. It's a fantastic method to see if we're suitable for working together. We only advise products we really believe in. These days, a lot of men are fairly shy and are finding it difficult to succeed with ladies. They don't delight in hanging out that much or having to go to celebrations and try to be the focal point to bring in ladies. They would rather have the ability to just meet a nice girl and have a relationship, without having to go out nightclubbing every weekend or having a huge group of buddies that they see weekly. However, these people, maybe you, still wish to succeed with ladies. You still desire to have the ability to get laid, get a girlfriend and enjoy yourself. You do not desire to need to lose out on it due to the fact that you're not an extroverted person. So, is it possible? Can you still have your choice of ladies, get laid and get a girlfriend, or find a partner, without needing to be a wild extrovert who is addicted to being around loads of people? A shy person. An individual characterized by concern primarily with his or her own thoughts and sensations. An outgoing, gregarious individual. A person characterized by extroversion, a person concerned mostly with the physical and social environment. Keen on the business of others, sociable. Do you need to be an extrovert to be effective with females? No. Nevertheless, you do need to end up being more confident, since a person who lacks confidence isn't appealing to ladies. When you're not appealing to females, they're not going to like you, and you're going to have barely any chances with ladies. If you're just a bit introverted, i.e. you have a typical level of self-confidence, then you're going to be at an average level of beauty to women, which means that about 30% of the women you meet like you and feel a typical level of tourist attraction for you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.